This is an SAT question, an algebra SAT question. I think this is a difficult question for the average SAT person. It looks kind of simple at first, but it's a little bit tricky. If 4b minus 3 is greater than 7, what's the greatest possible integer value of negative 2b plus 4? To me, this is kind of hard to really understand what it is. So do you plug in each one of these answers into this equation, into this inequality, and the answer is no. Here's what you want to do. You want to get this inequality to look like this, and then that will give you the answer. So I'm going to kind of go through it. So I'm going to first do 4b minus 3 greater than 7. And I'm going to add 3 to both sides. So I get 4b greater than 10. Now, my algebra skills, I just want to go and solve this, but that's not really going to fit with what we want with the equate with what they're wanting. So I need to get negative 2b plus 4. So if I divide by negative 2 to both sides, watch what happens. I get negative 2b here and negative 5 here. Now, if I divide by a negative number, I got to flip this guy to less than. All right, we're close. We've got negative 2b, but now we need plus 4. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add 4 to both sides. And I get negative 2b plus 4 less than 1. Sorry, negative 1. So it says, what is the greatest possible integer value of this using basically that? And here's the answer. The greatest possible integer value. So this tells you negative 2b plus 4 is less than negative 1. So you want the next integer value that's less than negative 1, and that turns out to be negative 2a. I think this is very tricky. I think there are some things that make it tricky. You might be tempted to put negative 1. You might put 0 because that's bigger than negative 1, but here it clearly shows you it's less than. So, and there's no way to kind of, you can't plug in numbers at each one and double check it. It's just kind of a confusing problem if you ask me. The key is anytime you're given an inequality like this, and then it's saying what is blah, blah, blah of another expression, you have to get this guy to look like this guy and then see what happens.